Good morning. I picked up a scale. This is a crane scale. I believe its capacity is around 600 pounds. I'm going to do a video to show the difference in the amount of pounds or newtons force, for lack of a better word, or the proper word, how much pounds it takes to pull down the handle in the different settings. For this video, I'm going to be using the multi-die that comes with the PCX extruder. I'm going to set it on the square hole. It's about a 1/2 inch square, I believe, and we'll see how hard it is. Okay, I've got the barrel full of clay. I've started extruding just a little bit to make sure that I was in the right spot. And I'm going to have to rig up something here, it looks like. Oh, maybe I can do it like this. Just trying to hook the scale on the handle here. I kind of rigged up a little pipe that I can hold on to put some force on it. The scale is set on pounds. And extruding there at about 550 pounds, varying just a little bit, 530 to 580. Now, let's see, and that is set at the hole position, which is the same as all the regular extruders, all the original extruders. I'm going to switch the pin to a, let's see how close I can get here. I am in the middle position, the middle gear position. Extruding, and it is taking 30 pounds. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. 35. So it changed from 550 to 35 pounds of pressure. Let me move this extrusion out of the way. Extruded that much. I'm going to change it to a closer position, if I can. Just one step more. This is 3 spots away from the closest position to the fulcrum point. And that's extruding at 23 pounds of pressure, 24. And we'll go ahead and get about a foot. Varying somewhere between 23 and 26 that time. Get one more step. I'm 2 steps up right now. And that is 15, 17, 18, about 18 pounds of pressure. Still got a little bit too much clay to get to that bottom spot. Extrude about another foot there. That should be enough. And that's the bottom gear position. Closest to the fulcrum, 12, 14, 15, 16, about 16 to 18 pounds. So at best 15 pounds, and in the worst position 550. I've got the scale changed to newtons, which is actually the proper measurement for force, and I'm still in the closest to the fulcrum position, and that's about 140 newtons. Change it over to the hole position. I'm going to add a little bit more clay here to keep the scale up where the camera can see it better. All right, still set on newtons. In the hole position, about 290, 300, 320 newtons. So as a wrap up, this is what it takes to extrude in force with the new PCX Crackpots extruder. Much reduced force. Went from 550 pounds of force to 15 pounds of force. So it should be a lot easier to extrude using the PCX for just about everybody. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook. There's a link in the description if you'd like to purchase the Crackpots PCX extruder. Thanks for watching.